Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. And in this video we're actually going to be starting to build the marketplace that we just went over on the last video. And on the last video we basically did this little sketch of the site and did a little bit of planning and designing. And so yeah, now we're actually just going to get started from a blank Visual Studio Code file, I should say. And first things first, what we have to do is to initialize a Next.js application because we're going to be using Next.js and React to implement this application. Okay, so here we're just initializing the application with create next app. All right, here we go, and now we can just try to run the application with npm run dev. Okay, yeah, there we go. Now we have initialized our Next.js application. I actually had to update my Node version, but that's okay. I just updated it. And now we have our next application right here, which we can start to modify. Okay, so now when we have our app ready and running, our next step is basically to connect the database right here. So basically just setting up Prisma and MongoDB. So we'll do that next, and we can start by we can already create a env file. We'll be needing that later on. And then I guess I could just I'm gonna just honestly clean all this up. Then I'll put some sort of a text here. It says just hi. That's just hi, and we can modify that to be some like a marketplace app for now. We'll be changing that soon, but anyways. Okay, so here we go, guys. I have my MongoDB database here. And then we can just go here to connect with VS Code, just copy that right there. And then we can go into our env file, and I'll just put that there, and then I'll also put the password right there, but I won't show you guys that. Now the env file has been initialized, and then next I will initialize Prisma for my application. So now we can just initialize Prisma. There we go. And then we just have to change this to be MongoDB. Boom, there we go. And now we can even create our first model. I can just create the first model just about the listing, the real estate listing, and then it will have an ID. It will have some sort of a description, which is going to be a mandatory string. And yeah, something else we'll be diving more deep into that later on. And yeah, for the listing, we'll just call it a string with an object ID. And yeah, and then I think we have to run npx prisma generate. And yeah, that should be good to go. And now we can just restart our application and start actually developing it. So now we have initialized the database with Prisma, with MongoDB, and the whole project basically itself. And now we can just start building from this file right here. Okay, so yeah, guys, I've been programming here for a little bit, and now I've been implementing some of the main routes here. So basically the home screen currently looks like this. Then we have a nav bar here at the top. And then I have been basically working on the basic structure of the application. So I have my data and actions right here. And then what I did mostly was the login functionality. So basically with Next.js, following the Next.js documentation, I've implemented the register form and then the login form. These are not completely ready yet, but this is basically what I have got so far right there. And yeah, okay, so guys, I have been stuck with this weird bug, which I'm not really sure where it comes from. I guess it's somehow related to the state right here, but seems a bit weird. Haven't had something like this ever before. But yeah, I'll try to figure this one out. Okay, so guys, I think I figured it out. I had to almost completely change my login form. Um, I don't know what there really was, but I just couldn't figure it out. So I changed the login form to a different format. So yeah, now it works and we can continue. Okay, so yeah, after a few struggles here and there and a few hours of coding, I've managed to build at least something here, and I'll walk you guys through the app and what I have done um until this moment in time. So here we have the front page. It's pretty basic, nothing really fancy here, and then you can click here on the listings, and it lists all the houses that are for sale, and you can click them, and you can even view the single page of a house. This single page right here is still quite on the way, so I have to provide some more information here. But yeah, I also managed to implement the login and register functionalities. So now the user can create a user and log in. I created this one test email right here. There we go. And now you guys can see that when a user is logged in, it says it right here, and also the login button changes to a logout button. And yeah, then the maybe almost like the main part of the application right now is this at listing page right here. So I can just enter a title. So let's just say like house number 3. It's priced at 200,000, and here is a description of the house, and then I'll just provide my email right here, and then we can just click submit. And then when we go to the listings, oh, there is something seems to be wrong right here. This right here should be placed somewhere around here. Well, but yeah, I'll look into that. I guess if I spread this out more, yeah, this works fine. But yeah, it's a bit weird, but yeah, I'll fix that. And yeah, I've also added here on the left side of the screen a sidebar, so we can add some filters and stuff like that in there. But yeah, this is basically it for the application right now. And actually, for the register part and the login part, there was some weird functionalities going on with the bcrypt and Next.js. So I guess that will be fixed in the future versions of Next.js, but for now we'll just go with this version of the login and register. So basically the authentication functionalities. But yeah, in the future episodes, we'll be implementing the pictures for each of the listings, and we'll provide some more information right here. We will also make it mandatory for the user to log in before adding a listing. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like this type of content, leave a like, comment down below what you want to see next. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.